The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is the latest smartwatch from the Samsung Galaxy line that regularly makes it to our list of favorite watches. The 2024 version looks similar to its predecessor, but it sports some upgrades, including sleep apnea detection, a new AI algorithm, a bioactive sensor, and a fast processor. We compiled the best tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 to supercharge your smartwatch experience. Monitor your sleep apnea with the Galaxy Watch 7. Your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 can detect sleep apnea. Wear the device snugly on your wrist for more accurate results. You should be asleep for at least 4 hours for the watch to measure a complete night. The smartwatch monitors the relative decrease in blood oxygen levels to ascertain whether it indicates sleep apnea. It could range from moderate to severe. First, open the Samsung Health Monitor app on your watch or phone. Second, tap Sleep Apnea. Then, turn on the feature. The sleep apnea feature is for users aged 22 and above. Samsung doesn't intend it for users with a sleep apnea diagnosis or clinicians diagnosing sleep disorders. Mute phone notifications when your watch is on your wrist. You can turn off notifications on your phone if you have the Galaxy Watch 7 on your wrist. Launch the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, select Watch Settings, choose Notifications, and turn on Mute Notifications on phone. Use double pinch gestures on the Galaxy Watch 7. The new gestures on the Galaxy Watch 7 let you control the watch without touching the screen. Pinch your finger and thumb together twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, launch apps, control music, and capture photos. You'll also find Shake to dismiss under the gesture section. To use it, rotate your wrist twice to reject incoming calls or dismiss alerts. For that, open Settings, tap on Buttons and Gestures, select Double Pinch under the gesture section, and turn on the toggle. Use Google Assistant instead of Bixby. You can switch to Google Assistant if you don't prefer Samsung Bixby on the Galaxy Watch 7. You can also make it the default voice assistant. Pressing and holding the home button summons Google Assistant instead of Bixby. First off, install Google Assistant from the Google Play Store if you don't have it on your watch. Go to Settings, select Apps, tap on Choose Default Apps, select Digital Assistant app, tap Default app, and select Assistant. Use Sleep Mode to mute notifications when you're sleeping. You don't want notifications from the Galaxy Watch 7 disturbing your sleep when you're in bed. Turning on Sleep Mode activates Do Not Disturb. It turns off Always On Display, Raise Wrist to Wake, and Touchscreen to Wake. For that, tap on Settings, select Modes. Under Modes, select Sleep Mode. Toggle on Turn On as Scheduled. Select the days of the week and set a timer under the Set Schedule section. Customize notifications on the Galaxy Watch 7. You can select which apps can send notifications to your Galaxy Watch 7. Launch the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, select Watch Settings, and tap on Notifications. Choose App Notifications and select the apps you want. Our top Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 tips help you make the most of your smartwatch. Level up your watch experience by installing the best smartwatch apps. If you face glitches or bugs, reset your Galaxy Watch.